Hey, Michael here. I am so excited to introduce you to ClassWise. The goal of the video is to guide educators on how they can implement ClassWise in their daily teaching tasks to be efficient and save time, plus a short overview of what ClassWise has to offer in teaching community. The interface of the app is pretty simple. You have a search bar for quick AI searches. Under that, you have 4 features: brainstorm ideas, discover experiments, empower bonds, and simplify a concept. Now, if you want a quick number of ideas for any specific topic, click on brainstorm ideas, enter the number of ideas and your topic name, and watch ClassWise generate it in a matter of seconds. Plus, you can copy, download, and save any information for future use. Next, we have a feature, discover experiments. Here you can find any math or science experiment, enter grade level and topic. Now, suppose you want to regenerate or to find another approach, click stop and then regenerate, and like that, you have experimental format for your desired topic. From here, you can copy or download your experiment and use it right away. You can also save the experiment and find it in the Save button next to Favorites. After that, you have a feature named Empower Bond that gives you certain pointers and tips on how you can strengthen your bond with your students at a certain grade level. Obviously, it depends on your internet connection, but with a good connection, it is pretty fast and responsive. Lastly, as the name suggests, this feature is used to simplify a complex topic on a specific grade level so you can teach with clarity. For example, if I want to teach Newton's third law of motion to a couple of 5th graders, all I have to do is enter grade level and concept, and it will simplify the concept for 5th grade students. You can also find this feature in the Organize section named Creating a Step-by-Step Teaching Framework. To the side of Home button, we have Tasks button, and here you will find all the functionality ClassWise has to offer, and it is primarily divided into 4 sections: Write, Modify, Organize, and Explore. So in the Write section, you can write personalized tone-based emails to your colleagues and friends. For instance, let's say I want to write an email to my friend John. So John is my receiver, and here's my name, and my tone would be friendly as John is my friend, right? Lastly, my email content. And just like that, I have a fully functional email ready to be sent. After that, you have the most demanding feature in the Write section named Create Traditional Assessment Questions. As the name indicates, it is primarily used in test preparation. So let's see how it works. Click the feature, enter the number of questions, let's say 10. A type of questions, whether it may in a format of multiple choice, true or false, it's basically up to you. And lastly, your topic name, I am going to write, for example, gravity, and click continue, and watch ClassWise generate user dedicated questions in a matter of seconds. Similarly, you can generate a 5E lesson plan, which means you can teach any topic in 5 fun stages. Enter your grade level, lesson length, let's say 10 minutes. And your subject, I am choosing science, and finally your topic, again, I am writing gravity, and click continue. Now here you can see it will give you the objective/goal and materials needed, and down here you can see you have your 5 E's: engage, explain, explore, elaborate, and evaluate. So from engage to evaluate, providing a 5-stage learning approach can be a fun way to engage the whole classroom and teach difficult concepts. You can also create a detailed field trip permission slip by filling out a couple of rows and even compose a poem. The next section is Modify. Here you can rephrase or summarize content. Select the feature, enter your piece of content. I have a sample paragraph, paste it, and click continue, and you can see how quick and efficient it is. You can also change or correct the tenses for any piece of text and paragraph. Select correct inconsistent tenses. Let's type, suppose he will be home at noon, and I want to change it to, let's say, pass, and select continue. Now see, the sentence is in past tense. This can also work in for paragraphs as well. Same way you can also correct or check if the sentence is correct. Additionally, you can improve creative writing. Also, you can condense or expand paragraph in quick, simple steps. Now, the third section is Organize, and in here you can generate a list of topics around any subject matter. Select Generate a List and enter topic, say Atmosphere, and ClassWise will give you a list of topics around atmosphere you can include in your teaching calendar. Now down here you have a feature, Create a Step-by-Step Teaching Framework, which is basically simplifying a concept that we have already covered in the introduction section of the video. The next feature is Generate Groups or Partnerships. And below that is the feature named Categorize Information and Ideas, Enter topic and concept, and ClassWise will give you all the information in categorized manner. The last section is Explore. Here you can use the feature Complete the Analogy to create connections between two topics. Below that you have one of my favorite feature named Identify the Key Principles of a Concept. Just insert your concept, say maybe algebra, and in seconds, ClassWise has given you the fundamental approach for teaching algebra. Moving on, as name suggests, we can also find similarities and differences between two topics. Enter topic 1 and topic 2 and enter number of similarities and differences, and let ClassWise do the rest. You can also find any math and science experiment by desired grade level. Also, we can view history from any angle. Let's write Taj Mahal, for instance, and here you can see multiple viewpoints for this specific topic. Lastly, you can also draw conclusions from any piece of writing or any topic you want, plus find the origins of any given thing and simplify it for any grade level. Finally, we have Favorites button here. You can access your favorite features you have saved, and next to it, you have your saved queries. Thank you so much, guys, for having me. It was a fun experience shooting this video, and I hope you have a better understanding of ClassWise. Believe me, it saves you tons of time and can save you from many stressful situations. Click the link and download your free app today.